On his 1 year anniversary, Donald Trump is putting it on thick. He just lied and said he reduced our annual trade deficit by 77%. And get this, he also got rid of inflation, and he did all of this with the tariffs.
Using tariffs slashed the U.S. trade deficit by an incredible 77%. The trade deficit is down, and that doesn't include the last month where we had our best month. We slashed the trade deficit by an incredible 77% in 1 year with no inflation, something that everyone said could not be done. So we had essentially no inflation. In fact, the last month we had almost no inflation. But we slashed the trade deficit by 77%. If you slashed it by 1%, that was good. Again, we did that with tariffs and intelligence. We did that with November 5th, great election.
So, according to what happened in 2025, the trade deficit reached a record high in March due to front loading because of the tariffs, and then it declined by October. However, for the full year 2025, cumulative and projected data indicate no net reduction in the annual trade deficit compared to 2024. As a matter of fact, it increased. Year-to-date figures through late 2025 showed rises and projections for the annual goods trade deficit, which exceeded $1.26 trillion. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Donald Trump is lying once again, trying to convince the American people that his first year of his second term was actually more successful than it really was. And the question we have to ask ourselves is simple. Do you believe him or do you believe your wallets? What a disgrace.